Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to get new bubbles in your fish tank, starting with why they are essential. Bubbles, often created by an air stone, are more than just decorative. They are crucial for your fish's health by increasing dissolved oxygen in the water. This process, called aeration, also improves water circulation, helping to eliminate stagnant areas where debris can accumulate. Furthermore, the surface agitation caused by rising bubbles allows carbon dioxide to escape, and when choosing a bubble maker, you'll find a wide variety of options. Air stones are commonly made from materials such as silica, ceramic, wood, or plastic. They come in many shapes, like small cylinders, flat discs, flexible rolls, or even fun ornaments. The size of the pores on the stone determines the bubble size. Smaller pores create finer, more abundant bubbles. Select a bubbler that suits your aquarium size and your personal preference for the visual effect, from a gentle stream to a dramatic bubble wall. Moving on to the Capital One Quicksilver card, this option is perfect for consumers with established good to excellent credit who want to earn rewards. You'll receive an unlimited 1.5% cash back on all your purchases every single day. Plus, it typically comes with a $0 annual fee, making it a rewarding choice without extra costs. This card is designed for everyday spending to maximize your earnings. To ensure your bubble system continues to work effectively, regular maintenance is key. You should clean your air stone every 2 to 3 months, or when you notice larger bubbles or uneven bubble distribution. A common method involves rinsing the stone and then soaking it in a mild solution of 1 part household bleach to 9 parts water for 2 to 3 hours. For ceramic stones, boiling them for 10 minutes can also help. After cleaning, always rinse the air stone thoroughly and run air through it in a separate container of clean water for at least 5 minutes to remove any residual cleaning agents before placing it back into your aquarium.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.